Quick stat. The RRSP Home Buyers Plan has been available to Canadians since 1992, and yet surveys show fewer than 1 in 10 eligible first-time buyers actually use it. That's tens of thousands of dollars left on the table. So now my client Mark was turned down by his bank because he doesn't have enough saved for a down payment. So here's the strategy that changed everything. He took out our RRSP, short-term RRSP loan, made the contribution, waited the required 90 days, then withdrew it tax-free under the home buyers plan for his down payment. His RRSP contribution also triggered a tax refund, which he used to pay back some of his loan. So he bought his first home, got money back, and his bank had told him no. So if you want to know whether this strategy applies to your situation, drop a comment below or send me a message.